Imagine this. A judge makes a deeply offensive comment in court, one that targets someone's race, religion, gender, or background. You're shocked. The community's outraged. But then, nothing happens. Why? Because in Canada, removing or disciplining a judge isn't as simple as you might think. That's where Bill C-9, the Combating Hate Act, comes in. So what is it? What does it change? And what does it mean for justice in Canada? Let's break it down in plain language. Bill C-9 is not a new hate crime law. It doesn't change what's considered hate speech or harassment. Instead, it deals with something deeper: how Canada disciplines judges, especially when they've said or done something seriously wrong. Until now, disciplining a federally appointed judge has been a long, expensive, and outdated process. It could take years, cost millions, and in some cases, result in no consequences at all. That's a problem, because trust in the justice system depends on judges being fair, respectful, and accountable. Bill C-9 aims to fix that. It updates the Judges Act, a law from the 1970s, by streamlining how misconduct is handled. Here's what Bill C-9 does. Creates a new process to review complaints about federally appointed judges, introduces stronger, clearer consequences, not just removal, but suspensions, apologies, or counseling, speeds up the timeline so serious cases don't drag on for years, makes it easier for the public to understand how judicial discipline works, and helps rebuild public trust when judges cross the line. Why does this matter? Because if a judge shows bias, makes sexist or racist remarks, or behaves unethically, there needs to be a clear and fair way to respond, not just for lawyers, not just for politicians, but for the people who rely on the courts to protect their rights. Bill C-9 was introduced by the Federal Minister of Justice and has been supported by many legal experts and advocacy groups, especially those fighting hate, discrimination, and injustice. But some critics say it still doesn't go far enough. They want more transparency, better public reporting, and independent oversight. That debate is ongoing, but here's what you need to know. This bill is about making sure judges are held to a higher standard, because no one, not even a judge, should be above accountability. If this video helped you understand Bill C-9, like it, subscribe for more simple, no-spin explainers on Canadian politics, and share it with someone who cares about fairness in the justice system. Understanding how power is used and checked in Canada, that's how we protect democracy